In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Shopify store. Whether you're consolidating your business ventures, moving on to a new project, or just taking a break, it's important to know how this process works. Now, let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you can confidently close your store when needed. To start off, you'll want to head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools and options related to your online store management. Once you're there, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll see a small but significant option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This section serves as the central hub for all the behind-the-scenes configurations of your Shopify account. Once you're in the Settings menu, cast your eyes to the left side of the screen. There you will find a list of different options, and among them, you should see Plan. Go ahead and click on Plan. This is the area where you have previously selected your subscription and payment preferences for Shopify. Now, it's time to proceed by opting for Cancel Subscription, or, if you're still exploring Shopify with a trial, you'll see Cancel Trial. Make sure to select the appropriate option for your account status. This step is crucial because it formally initiates the process of closing your account with Shopify. After making your selection, Shopify will prompt you with a notification. This message is not just an agreement to cancel, but serves as an important reminder. It will inform you that once your subscription is successfully canceled, your store will be closed. One of the most important aspects of this process is that your store data will also be lost. For this reason, it's wise to take a moment before proceeding to ensure you have backed up any important information. Consider exporting customer details, sales data, or any unique assets that you might need in the future. After all, preventing data loss today can mean smoother operations in the future, should you decide to return to Shopify or need this information elsewhere. And that's everything. Once you confirm the cancellation, Shopify takes care of the rest, and your store will be officially closed. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on deleting your Shopify store. And remember, planning ahead and keeping backups are always a good practice in the world of e-commerce. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, take care.